A very warm good morning to everyone. I am Suvarna Khodke. On the behalf of Eureka Infosys School, I am here to give a demonstration of paper bag. Nature has been sent this morning for us. Nature has been sent this beautiful morning for us. Do you know why? Because of we are the part of nature. Feel it. We are the part of nature. Feel it. Take a deep breath and find it. Happiness is everywhere around us in the nature. Happiness is everywhere around us in the nature. Realize it. When you realize this nature, you can find the difference between beauty of nature and the today's shabby condition of our environment. Who is responsible for all these condition? Tell me, who is responsible for all these condition? One and only human being. If we see around us, everywhere there is a pollution. That means huge mountains of the garbage. Air is polluted with different types of gases. That means the health of human being is in trouble. Because of this pollution, many times we have faced many complications in our life. Today we are also agonized from pandemic COVID-19, that is coronavirus. Because of this coronavirus, we all are not come together in the school. But never mind, I know that our Eurasians never stop in any traveling condition. Because they are stronger. They can do anything. They are brighter. So I have confidence on all the Eurasians. So let's take one step ahead to keep our environment free from the pollution. Because we all want to be a part of solution, not a part of pollution. Do you know, student, which day is today? Today is 12th July. That is Paper Bag Day. Every year in our school we celebrate this Paper Bag Day. But today this is the coronavirus situation. And in this situation we all are not together. But never mind, I have told you, our Eurasians are so better and so greater. So we all should make these paper bags at home also. Okay? So on this occasion today we all together first of all take one oath. What is that oath? That oath is, we all are taking oath that from today onwards, we are not going to use plastic bags. Instead of these plastic bags, we always use paper bag. This is the oath, and we all have to keep this oath in our mind. Whenever you are going to market and buying different things, avoid this plastic bag. By avoiding these plastic bags, we are taking one step ahead to keep our environment free from the pollution. On this special occasion, let's make a paper bag. Which things we require to make this bag? Let's see. We need one Fevicol, one paper, one punching machine, two handles and one scale. These are the requirements we need for the making paper bag. Okay, let's start. Apply glue on the one side of the paper very properly. After that, fold another side of the paper on the first side. With the help of scale, you press it properly because the glue inside these pages spread everywhere and the thickness of our bag will be maintained. After that, we have to fold this edge up to the 4 cm. By folding this edge, overlap other vertical edge of the paper up to the half of this portion. Again, apply glue on this half portion of the paper. apply this glue very properly so that the edges can stick in a proper way and our bag looks like a very beautiful. With the help of this scale, again press it very well. It gives finishing to our bag. So I have fold all these edges and press with the scale. Okay. After that, vertically we have to fold this side of the bag according to the length of bag you want. I want a long bag, so I have fold this bigger side. Okay, after folding, again press with the scale to get a better finishing. When you are pressing this, after that you can see here, it looks like a cap. Again, open this cap in this way so that two triangles can make on the both the edges. And the center of these two triangles match with each other. With the help of scale, press the edges of this triangle properly and apply glue on this part of the triangle. Only up to the half portion we have to apply the glue. After that, fold this part inside in this way and press it properly. Again apply glue on this side to the half portion and overlap other side in such a way that here should be your square will be made. On the both side of this paper you can see two squares we have made by folding these sides properly. Okay, so in this way I have stick it and press it with the scale to get a better finishing. After that, fold the horizontal side of the paper inside and off side also. That means both the side we want to make a folds. First you fold this inside, open this again and again open or fold this off side. Next side also fold it into the inside, press it very properly, again open it and fold off side. It gives a proper rectangular shape to our bag. Okay, so my fold is completed. I am going to open this bag with the help of my hand. I have opened this bag. After that, I am going to press these edges very properly with my hand. This side also. Fold these edges in a proper way so that it can look like a rectangular shape. Our beautiful bag is almost ready. You can see it get a rectangular shape. Here I am going to find out the center of this side. So it is more than 15. So I have kept this scale in such a way that I am going to find the center. That means this I have considered this length is 15 cm and half of the 15 cm is 7.5. So I mark here on the 7.5. After that, with the help of punching machine, I am going to punch these both the side together so that the holes are in a particular manner. You can see this side I got 2 holes and this side also 2 holes. So after that, these are black threads with me. Pour this thread from one side and take out from other side. And here also tie 2 knots to balance the weight of our bag. Okay, so this is first handle of our bag. It is almost ready. Same like this, we are going to make a second handle. Pour from one side and take out from other side and make a 2 knots. It can lift a weight of our bag. And finally, beautifully, our bag is ready. You can see this is the paper bag. It is look like a rectangular in shape. It is look like a rectangular in shape, and its handle is also beautiful. It look like a market bag, and you all enjoy this today's session with me. If you enjoy this session, you also try to make this bag at your home. With the help of your parents, you can make this bag and take a photograph with yourself and send on the school WhatsApp number. Take care. Bye-bye.